Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 15e épisode du Let's Play Underhal. Alors la dernière fois, Ark a été pris d'assaut par les Nériméens. On a malheureusement été trahi par Jorek Bartar, si je me souviens bien de son nom, un des bras droits de Théalor Arantheal. On a réussi à repousser l'assaut, heureusement, au prix de nombreuses pertes quand même. Autrement, niveau compagnon, Kalia et Gespard ont l'air d'être dans une mauvaise passe, vraiment tous les deux. Ils se blâment pour tout un tas de choses. Et bah nous, on encaisse quoi. Donc là, on va retourner se reposer, parce que ça fait partie de la suite de la quête. Ah, j'aurais dû m'en douter. Bon, qu'est-ce qu'on va voir cette fois-ci? C'est toujours le même décor, hein.
Now look who's here. So, my child, I know you still didn't find it. You think you know what you're doing. But the truth is, you're still wandering through the mist, just like all the others.
Mais je me demande, est-ce qu'on sait ce qu'on doit chercher? À chaque fois, il nous demande si on a trouvé quelque chose. Mais à quoi il fait référence? Je sais plus s'il en avait parlé dans la dernière vision. Bon, apparemment, on sait à peu près de quoi il parle. Tu as tort, papa. Nous avons trouvé la torche. Et j'ai trouvé le feu.
Yes, that is what you believe. You know, it would be so easy to see the truth, to feel it. If you, for all your heroism, had not forgotten one thing. To listen. Come, let me show you what I mean.
C'était pas comme ça la dernière fois, je crois. Oups.
There we go. Sit down and let us listen to the silence. Okay, fine. I get it. You know you have sinned, and that's why you're lying. But look, honey, I'm your husband, and I deserve the truth. Lying is a sin. You know that as well as I do. And you also know the position this puts me in.
What else do you want me to say? It's ours! Yours!
Mine? You make me unhappy. You know that. You make me very, very unhappy. Next time it's going to hurt. Whose child is it? Oh, Lord, is this what I get for my piety? All these years I sacrificed myself for this family. I toiled. I buried my dreams. And all of it because I wanted them to be happy. And now my own witch betrays me and carries another one's fruit in her belly. But no. As if that weren't enough, she denies me the truth. Me, her own husband. Just what am I supposed to do now, Lord? I beg you, tell me. What shall I do? Yes, of course, Lord. You are right. How could I be so blind? The Creator has spoken to me, honey. A child born of sin is tainted. And this is why we will drown it. Yes, that's what we'll do. As soon as it's out, We'll put it in the trough.
You're a monster. You're a goddamned monster.
I beg your pardon.
No,
I think you just said something that would have made me really unhappy. But unfortunately, I didn't hear you loudly enough. So please, be so kind as to say it again. What? I can't hear you, darling. I can't hear you. So tell me, my child, how does it feel to be powerless? How does it feel having to watch and not being able to do anything?
Je n'ai jamais pu m'en empêcher. Je n'ai jamais pu.
No, but now you can, can't you? But there's no more time, silly. I have to go now, forever. It's been so long since I last ate, and I'm craving a slice of meat. Bloody, crisp meat. Goodbye.
Est-ce que ça voudrait dire que c'est le dernier rêve qu'on fait?
The wise hermit, what's the matter with you?
Oh, j'espère.
Hey, come on, wake up.
Les sauver. Nous devons les sauver. Nous devons allumer la balise.
What? But we will. You found the black stones, and we'll use them, no matter how hard this Korak tries to stop us. But first of all, you should calm down a little. No offense, but you look like shit.
Je vais bien. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Pourquoi vous êtes là?
Shock of shocks, because I heard you screaming. Plus, look, about that talk we had in Silver Cloud, that was a pretty disgraceful performance on my part. It's just that the past few moons were a lot for me to deal with. Let's put it that way. And what happened to Adila, it was the last straw. I guess what I'm trying to say is, sorry. I said a lot of bullshit down there, which you didn't deserve.
Thou art my light, my glimmer at the horizon. Thy name is my sacrament, and thy path I will honor.
Yes, that
in
just
life
might work.
as in death.
Votre sœur a essayé de vous tuer. Je pense que ça justifie beaucoup de choses. Comment allez-vous en fait?
What? After all that, you ask me how I am. You never stop surprising me, I'll give you that. But, how am I? Honestly, I don't think I've realized, let alone processed what happened to Adila. I just try to keep going, I guess. There'll be plenty of time for self-reproach after we've lit this machine out there. No matter how big my part was in what Adila became, the High Ones used her depression to trick her into doing what she did. And they'll pay for that. But, be that as it may, Shalrim and the Archmagister asked for you. It's about this Numenos thing. Best you go see them as soon as possible.
Ok. Où est-ce qu'ils sont? À la balise?
No, in the Chronicum. And one more thing before you leave. Kalia, the sad-looking girl. How do you feel about her?
Quoi? Il serait jaloux? J'espère est jaloux. Difficile à dire pour le moment.
I see. Thanks for being honest with me. We'll catch up later, okay?
Pauvre
Take care.
j'espère. T'inquiète, t'auras le droit à un câlin quand même.
If we stray from our path, if we lose our way, he drags us down to.
Bon, ce rêve quand même, pas ouf. Hein. Donc apparemment notre mère aurait été violentée quand on était jeune. Et peut-être qu'on serait même pas le fils de notre père. Bah, je sais pas si on peut vraiment se fier à ses visions, à ses rêves, mais il y a de quoi se poser des questions.
Sounds to me as if we'd risk a lot
What?
for just a ghost of a chance. I'm not sure if this is wise.
No chance is better than two. That's how the saying goes. You should talk to the Grandmaster. He called for you.
Oh,
Hey
hey,
now, how nice. Then I suppose I'll answer the holy call of duty.
casse-toi le
God
jeu.
bless it, Archmagister. Ah, Prophet.
Oui.
If you have a moment, I'd like to talk. Just come upstairs when you find the time.
D'accord, très
There
bien.
you are. Have you recovered?
Oui, plus ou moins. Donc, quelle est la situation?
Well, I suppose as good as can be expected under our circumstances. The Truchessus sent half our Arcanists to reinforce the gate sigil, which makes working on the beacon harder, of course. Furthermore, the nightmares have become worse, and more reports of the Red Madness are coming in. It's tragic. Truly tragic.
Donc, d'autres cas de folie pourpre?
Yes. Citizens are disappearing from the city, and our outposts are finding them in the wilderness, starving and delirious. And even worse, they are extremely violent. Take care if you're on the road.
Est-ce que vous pensez que le pouvoir des éthérés croît, augmente?
Oh yes, without any doubt. The war has made things far worse. It's almost as if the High Ones draw strength from the chaos. Or maybe it's a sign that the cleansing is approaching. I don't know.
C'est pas délirant qu'ils puissent tirer leur pouvoir du chaos. Ouais, je pense que ça doit avoir un lien. Et donc, quels sont les progrès avec la balise? On m'a dit que vous aviez trouvé une piste qui concerne le Numinos.
Well, let's say we have a lead to a place where we could find a lead.
Ah.
Let me start at the beginning. While you were sleeping, someone tried to break into the storehouse of the garrison. A starling named Kamai.
Pourquoi a-t-il forcé le cellier?
Well, brace yourself. He said he was looking for Shadowsteel, because he's been working on a starship for 2 decades now. He wants to use it to find the forgotten homeland of his people.
La patrie oubliée?
Yes. Doesn't it ring a bell? The Star People believe that their ancestors were born in a forgotten place among the stars. A place without war or hunger, where everyone lives in perfect harmony. All the technology, all the machines that we owe to them were invented to help them get back to this place. A very nostalgic idea. It really is, but unfortunately, a lot of Star People have died in that quest. The starships have crashed, or they simply disappeared. Up until now, no one has ever found the Star City. Kumai, however, claims that he can do it.
Mais en quoi ça concerne le Numinos?
Well, bear with me. At first, of course, we all considered him insane. He was begging and pleading and insisting that he was just an inch from finishing his ship, and that it really could get him to the Star City.
Oh, hey.
Unlike the others, the Grandmaster listened to him, and he ordered the scouts in Doonville to look for the cave where he claimed his workshop was. And you won't believe it, but they found out 2 things.
Oh, hey.
First of all, the ship really does exist. And secondly, he says he used ancient Starling plans to construct the ship, which were handed down for generations in Anku, the Starling city on Neru. We had a look at them. They look very similar to the plans we used to construct the beacon.
Ils y ressemblent donc? Est-ce que vous insinuez que les anciens pères des Astrelins, qui vivent apparemment dans cette ville oubliée, sont eux aussi ceux qui ont créé la balise?
Well, either that, or the ones who created the beacon also helped the ancient fathers build the Star City. There's no way to know for sure, but either way, what it does mean is that the ancient fathers must have known about the cycle, and therefore about the High Ones and the cleansing.
Ouais, je trouve qu'on a beaucoup de chance quand même de tomber sur un type comme ça. Bon, bref. Et vous pensez qu'il pourrait nous aider à trouver ce qu'est le Numinos?
Well, let's put it this way. If anybody knows, it's them. And it's definitely the best lead we have found so far. So, in other words, what that means is that we need to help this Kamai finish his ship, and that we will accompany him on his journey to the Star City.
Putain, mais qu'est-ce qui se
Just
passe?
imagine if it works. A city in the stars that has lasted for millennia. It's unbelievable, truly unbelievable.
Bah, en tout cas, moi j'ai envie de le voir. Donc notre objectif, c'est de faire voler le dirigeable, de nous rendre à l'Astreville et de trouver le Luminos avec l'aide de ses citoyens.
You make it sound so easy. But in a nutshell, yes, that's what we need to do.
Très bien, bah, comment est-ce qu'on procède?
First, you should visit Kamai's workshop in the Powder Desert. The Grand Master and some Arcanists have already left. And, needless to say, be vigilant when outside the city. The Neramis might not be careless enough to have their camp right in front of the gates, but they have established outposts all over Enderal, as you have undoubtedly already noticed. You are familiar with teleport magic, aren't you? Here, take this scroll. It will transport you directly to the Powder Desert. I need to get back to my studies now. The more we learn about the beacon, the more fascinating it becomes.
Ah, très bien.
This just doesn't make any sense.
Oh, il y avait... Ouais, il y avait Sharim qui voulait qu'on le retrouve. Donc on va aller le voir.
Why can't it ever be easy?
Il doit être à l'étage, je suppose.
Pathlessness, wherever you look. Where is this supposed to lead?
Ici.
Ah, there you are. Lashari brought that map from some Parayan ruin a couple of weeks ago. Looks confusing, doesn't it? She said it contains more knowledge about the Parayans than all the tomes in the Sun Temple's library put together. And now she's gone, just like Constantine. It still feels surreal.
Quelque chose vous préoccupe?
Well, let us say that I have been thinking a lot about the decisions we make in life and where they lead us. But let's not talk about that now.
Donc vous vouliez me voir?
I did, yes, because I require your help in a personal matter.
Vous pensez que c'est le bon moment d'agir maintenant?
There hasn't been a good time since the Red Madness broke out. And believe me, I wouldn't bother you with this if it weren't important.
Qu'est-ce qu'il vous faut?
Hard to explain. Come. Fair enough. Where do I start? Imagine the following scenario. You're in an old fortress. Suddenly a door opens and a bandit charges in. Before you even realize what is happening, he raises his bow, knocks an arrow, and fires it straight at your throat. What happens next?
J'évite la flèche?
That is one possibility, yes. It might be the one you would experience. Truth, however, is a bit more complex than that. Reality branches off into millions of new realities. One in which the bandit kills you, one in which he gets hit by a falling piece of rubble from the ceiling, one in which a tunnel spider jumps out from the shadows and kills him. The possibilities are endless. Everything that can happen will happen, and creates a new eventuality in the process, another reality.
En d'autres termes, même si je survis à la flèche dans une réalité, je peux mourir dans une autre.
In a million others, yes. There might even be one where a magical anomaly suddenly transforms the bandit into a Mirad. Everything that can happen will happen. This is the nature of our universe.
La mère des éventualités. Est-ce que j'ai raison de supposer que votre requête y est liée?
I'm getting there. I assume you know that this mechanism is also the reason for the existence of magic. An Arcanist is able to transport eventualities from one reality into another, and thus perform feats considered supernatural. So far, so good. But what if there were a way to not only bring elements of other eventualities into ours, but to travel these other realities physically?
Vraiment? Mais comment c'est possible?
Well, this is where it gets exciting, isn't it? With the Planeswalker. Come, let us sit.
Attends, mais c'est ouf ce qu'il propose de faire là. Peut-être que grâce à ça, Je sais pas, on pourrait ramener l'Ishari ou au moins récupérer des informations concernant son meurtre.
Have you ever heard of the name Dalmarek?
Le gardien qui a détruit Talgard avec le feu du soleil?
That's the one. What hardly anyone knows, however, is that Dalmarek's experiments reached far beyond the Sunwheel. Among other things, he worked on a device called the Planeswalker, a combination of Andralian mentalism and Parayan technology.
Et cet appareil permet à son utilisateur de changer de réalité?
Temporarily, yes. Sadly, Dalmarek never had the chance to finish it, since he was too busy blowing up Thalgard.
Donc vous envisagez de reconstruire le marche-plan, c'est ça? Mais pourquoi? Pour sauver l'Ishari?
Lashari? No. Even if we were to find a reality where she didn't die, we couldn't bring her back. Suffice it to say that there is something I need to see. Something I want to see. To be honest, it wasn't my intention to drag someone else into this. But there's no other choice, so here we are.
Vous pensez pas qu'on devrait concentrer nos ressources sur la recherche du Luminos plutôt?
We should, yes. But let me reassure you that this endeavor won't take up too much of our time. And as I've already said, I would not bother you with this if it weren't important.
Est-ce que ça pourrait nous aider dans notre lutte contre le cycle?
It could, but not that much. Other than what I'm planning to use the Planeswalker for, we lack a concrete plan for using it against the cycle. The only thing we could do with it is use it to blindly glimpse into other realities and hope that we can gain information in the few moments we have there. And for reasons I will elaborate on later, traveling into other realities is quite dangerous. In other words, it's not worth the risk.
Tu me le vends pas très bien là. Hein.
Our fight against the High Ones is one we'll have to fight in this world. There's no way around that.
Vous avez donc besoin de mon aide pour reconstruire le marche-plan.
Indeed. It would mean a lot to me, if that's worth anything to you.
D'accord, Yuslan. Mais c'est parce que c'est toi. Par où on commence?
Well, first of all, we need to acquire two materials I wasn't able to find here in Ark. The Ether Crystal, and a special kind of alloy. According to my research, Dalmarek's old laboratory in Thalgard would be a good place to start our search.
Un cristal d'éther. Hein.
Yes, I'll tell you more about it later.
Ok. Et encore une chose. Pourquoi moi? Je veux dire, vos alliés nériméens, ils pourraient vous aider, non?
You mean Jakil and Muriel? Yes, they could. But their magical talents aren't anywhere near powerful enough to help with the activation ritual. Also, son knows why, I can't help but feel a certain amount of trust towards you.
Bah... ça fait plaisir. Hein. Et donc, où est ce laboratoire?
Right in the middle of Thalgard's contaminated areas, so it will be dangerous. You have a map, don't you? Here. That's where we should find the entrance. I have some preparations to make first, so let us meet there shortly.
Ok.
Ah, and one more thing. I would appreciate it if we could keep this matter between you and I for now. I know I've said it before, but this mission is personal, and I'd rather not have to justify it to Aranthiel. Firstly, because it's a personal matter. Secondly, it's too much of a risk as long as Khalim and his helper are still sauntering about. The less people know of this mission, the better.
Oui, oui. Bon. C'est d'accord. Commençons.
We will. I will meet you in Thalgard.
Il faudra faire en sorte de faire ça rapidement par contre, parce que la quête du Luminos, c'est quand même assez urgent. Bon, c'est musclé. Hein.
Tenacious bastards.
Ah bah ouais, carrément. C'était quoi, des sauvages?
Sunborn. The descendants of those who had the dubious pleasure of surviving the Sunfire.
Pourquoi l'ordre ne fait-il rien?
Well, you'd have to ask the Holy Grand Master about that. But honestly, why would they? To the Order, the Sunborn are just a bunch of disfigured savages inhabiting a ruined patch of land. They don't dare go outside the contaminated area.
Rappelez-moi, qu'est-ce qu'on cherche exactement?
As I said, two objects. The Ether Crystal and a special kind of alloy. I'll look for the alloy. You look for the crystal. Agreed?
Bah d'accord. Et qu'est-ce qu'un cristal d'éther? Ça ressemble à quoi?
I don't know exactly, but according to my sources, it's made of a fluorescent blue mineral. And regarding your first question, it's the core element of the Planeswalker.
Oui,
Think
oui,
of it
oui.
as a kind of enhancer of one's gaze into the sea of eventualities.
D'accord. Où voulez-vous que je cherche?
I suggest you try his old laboratory first. It should be close to the library, so further down. Come on, let's get started. Just come back here once you've found the crystal.
Très bien. Oh. Oh, ça a l'air d'être ça.
So, had any luck?
Ah bah oui, j'imagine, oui.
Aye, but it's all shards. The roof came down on it.
What? No, that can't be. Show me.
Quoi?
Suit yourself.
No. No, 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 no. That's impossible.
Apparently it's not. So what about my pay?
You'll get it.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Peut-être que le cristal nous fait avoir des visions. Peut-être qu'il commence déjà son travail à faire des liens entre les autres réalités. Sauf qu'on est bien d'accord que ça venait de la vision, entre guillemets. Bon, bref. What the fuck? Oui, oui, oui. Yuslan. Ouh. Mais c'est qui?
Well, maybe you're just wrong and this goddamn crystal was never in here in the first place. Ever thought of that?
What?
It is here. Let's keep looking.
All right, all right. We have all the time in the world, don't we?
Ouais, c'est bien ce que je me disais. Tout ça pour ça. Ouf, ça a l'air de se bastonner. Il en reste là. Putain. Ah, ça m'énerve. Yuslan.
There you are. So?
C'est bon, je l'ai trouvé, mais il y a des choses étranges qui se produisent, qui se sont produites sur le retour.
Doesn't surprise me. What exactly?
Eh ben, quand j'ai ramassé le cristal, j'ai commencé à voir des choses. Vous, moi, des gens que je ne connaissais pas.
Interesting. I suppose those were glimpses into nearby reality strands. The crystal enhanced your gaze and let you perceive elements of other eventualities in this one.
J'ai aussi vu Lishari. Elle était dans les ruines avec une autre version de vous.
Lishari? Yes, of course. It must have been a scene from another reality where she survived the assassination attempt. Or where she never went after the traitor in the first place. And I asked her for help instead of you, which would have been my plan if she weren't... Well, let's not talk about it. That we still haven't caught her killer is driving me insane.
Dans l'une de ces éventualités, vous avez tué le mercenaire qui travaillait pour vous.
I did? Ah, I see what you're getting at. You're drawing conclusions about my personality because of this, right?
Bah, disons que on se pose des questions. Mais c'est exagéré selon vous?
It is. Are you aware of the fact that quite often a tiny event is enough to leave an impression on a person's personality forever? I don't know what the Yuslan from the other reality went through, but it's likely that he was quite different from me. Or, who knows, perhaps the mercenary wasn't trustworthy. Either way, no need to be afraid of me. Now, may I see the crystal?
Bah oui, voilà le cristal.
Thank you. I do have the alloy, by the way. It's a bit dented, but I should be able to fix it.
Parfait.
Fascinating. Pity we need to disassemble it. Either way, we did what we came here for. I'll take the crystal to Ark and find a safe place to store it. Here, I found this further down. Why don't you take it? It might be useful. I will need a couple of days at least to fully reconstruct the Planeswalker. I started months ago, but the crystal and the alloy were still missing. Meet me in the dust pit in the Undercity 2 days from now. It's some kind of arena, in case you haven't been there before.
Bah très bien, à bientôt.
See you then.
On va s'arrêter là pour cette fois-ci. Merci d'avoir regardé l'épisode jusqu'au bout et je vous donne rendez-vous dans le prochain. Allez, à bientôt.